Hi guys, I am back with another mani. So Nail Reserve sent me over some polishes from a certain collection. So thank you to Nail Reserve for sending me these polishes. So let's go ahead and get into these colors and these swatches. So the first color is Hollywood Midnight, which is a pink with a glitter finish. And almost, it's a very subtle glitter in there, really light, perfect like baby pink color. I thought that was really pretty. The second color, and that color actually was not a part of the collection. The second color is Floating, which is a dusty pink, another light pink. This one did not have any shimmer or anything like that, just a standard dusty soft pink color. The next one is Tempo, which is a really dark color. It's like a dark holographic, has all kind of sparkles, and it's really pretty. I see that with maybe like some star stamping or some type of cosmos stamping on top of that. The next color is Lonely Romance. This is a dark gray, great shade of gray. And then the last color in the collection, I believe, is You Are Not Alone. I think that's the name of the color. And this is not color all wrong, Who Loved You Better. This is a perfect shade of red. To me, it looks like a kind of like a brick red in my opinion. And the last color is Alone Together, which is a light teal shade, very pretty. And so these colors are from the Holly Jolly Glam collection on Nail Reserve's site. And so here are all of the swatch sticks together, and then I did insert a picture of the collection from the site, again the Holly Jolly Glam collection that was released for the month of September. I just received it the other day. And so we're going to go ahead and get into this gel polish application. Now I'm using Sparkle & Co gel nail tips that came in. These are medium almond shape. These came in a Sparkle & Co sub bag, so I will be using these nail tips that I've already picked out and filed to my for the shape of my nails. And so we're going to go in, and I'm using a buffer just to buff off the shine from the surface of the nail tips so that the polish will have something to adhere to. I've recently saw a video from Talia's Nail Tale website, not website, her YouTube channel, where she said you could put primer on top of the tips. It kind of leaves a sticky layer and acts like a glue for the nails if you don't want to buff them. So I will have to try that. And so I'm going in with Young Nail Swipe to remove any excess dust or anything like that on the nail before I go in with my base. Okay, I am going in and applying a thin layer of base to all nails, and I will cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And Nail Reserve gel polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, and 21 formula free. And so the colors that I chose are Lonely Romance, the brick red, and then I had the perfect white from Nail Reserve that I will be using. I'm going to do one coat of base on each nail and 2 thin coats of color, curing for 30 seconds in between each coat. And before I go, Nail Reserve have 2 different payment options. So if you decide to make a purchase, number one, I do have a discount code. It's Curly Crite. That will save you 50% off of your purchase of 2 or more gel polishes, and that is an affiliate discount code. Also with Nail Reserve, they have 2 payment options. They have a VIP program that's $29 a month. You get a $29 credit, and it provides access to new releases, free shipping, etc. And it's $29 a month. You get a $29 credit. The next option is the pay as you go option. And that option allows you to apply the discount code that I provided, Curly Crite, and saves 50%. So I decided to go in and add this silver sparkle to one nail. It was really pretty. I could have did my whole hand in this. Just something about glitters and sparkles that just, it's right. It is absolutely right. So with these colors, they were nicely pigmented. Most of the gel polishes I use are nicely pigmented, and they paired excuse me, sorry about that, they paired well together. Now I think I'm addicted to press on nails at this point. I don't even know when I will feel my left hand back with builder gel. It's still on there, but I need to do a backfill. Just because when I do a video, if I need to redo my builder gel because my nails have grown out, it kind of looks bad. But you know, these press-ons, you can't go wrong with them. Plus, I don't glue them on. I use sticky tabs, and they're reusable. Now, I did think this shade of red was very, very pretty. It's not too bright. It's not too dark. It's kind of like a muted red, and I thought it was really pretty. So after I get that second coat on, I have some decals from Poshy Nail Designs. Plaid is the new fad, 8. And so I've had these for a while, and I thought that's why I chose the colors, because I had the colors in this water slide decal. So I'm going to cut that out and spray it with water, and then I'm going to paint the white nail with Nail Reserve's the base and cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And so once that's cured, I'm removing excess water from the water decal, and I'm going to pick up the decal using the stamper and place that on the nail. Now, one thing that happened with this, I did end up maneuvering the decal too much, and I end up ripping it like right away. Poshy Nail Design decals are really, really thin, so you have to be careful with them. And so once I get the decal on the nail, I'm going to seal everything in with a nail brush and some acetone. So I do apply a layer of gel base on the nail with the decal, cure for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to coat all of the nails with Nail Reserve, the no wipe top coat, and cure for 30 seconds. Now, since I did rip the decal, I am going to go in with a large rhinestone and just place that right in the middle of the nail. Was just showing you where that decal ripped, and so I'm going in with McCart's rhinestone glue gel. This does require curing, and I'm placing that in the middle of the nail because I do, like I said, have a rather large rhinestone to place. And so once I place that, I cure, and then off camera I go around the large stone with that same rhinestone brush because it's very thin, just to seal everything in, and then I will do a cure for 60 seconds. And here are the nails. I already have my adhesive tab applied. I'm just removing the paper backing and not paper backing or whatever you want to call that, transparent backing. I'm just going to press those on the nail. Now these did last for about 3 days. 2 came off, and then I just applied a new adhesive and pop them things right on. No problems whatsoever. The nails weren't damaged or anything like that, and so I do keep them in my little I have a little plastic thing that I keep them in, and so I can reuse these if I want to. I am thinking about redoing the middle finger because I did rip the decal. And so I appreciate you guys for watching. So if you found value, please like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So I thought these were really cute. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.